YouTube, how are you all doing, and welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Miriam here. Thank you for always watching our videos, and don't forget to like, share, comment. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe and become part of this wonderful community. And to my wonderful old subscribers, thank you so much. This video is about diabetes. So if you know anyone who is diabetic, this video is to show foods that can lower our blood glucose level, blood sugar. So if you're taking this food, incorporating it in your diet, it will go a long way to help you manage your blood sugar and keep you away from the crisis level. So without wasting time at all, let's dive into this video. Right, guys, I was saying, yeah, this food helps to lower our blood sugar. Before I dive into these foods, I would like to talk about diabetes. What is diabetes? Okay, from what I know, diabetes affects the blood sugar level. We have two types of diabetes. Type 1, this basically means that the immune system attacks cells that produce insulin. What does insulin do? Insulin helps to regulate the blood sugar. So this type 1 means that the immune system of an individual who is diabetic destroys cells that produce insulin. So if that means like they don't have insulin in their body, so nothing is regulating their sugar level. This type 1 can originate from family history and as a result of obesity. And type 2 diabetes, it means that the body is not producing enough insulin. So type 1 destroys the insulin producing cells, while type 2, the body is not destroying these cells that produce insulin. However, these cells are not producing enough insulin to regulate the blood sugar. And the symptoms can be thirst, you become unnecessarily thirsty, and tiredness, peeing often, and if the person have wounds, these wounds may not heal or may take too long to heal. If it does heal, most of the people, the wound does not heal. Diabetes can lead to some other health issues like sight problem. So it's good for people that have diabetes to go for regular eye test, eye check at least once a year, diabetic eye test. And it can lead to stroke and heart diseases or some heart conditions. This type 2 diabetes is common with people over the age of 40, people from the Asian, Afro-Caribbean, and African background. Statistics shows that type 2 diabetes is more common than type 1. So most of the diabetic patients are like type 2. So now let's dive into our main video. So these are the food that can help to lower this blood, and number 1 is non-starchy and green leafy vegetables. This non-starchy and green leafy contains fibers, vitamins, and minerals that regulate blood sugar. They can fill you up without necessarily increasing your sugar level. Examples of avocado, cabbage, celery, cauliflower, broccoli, squash, mushroom, cucumber, green beans, olives, tomato, onions, spinach, kale. They are rich in antioxidants with lower digestible carbs than other vegetables. So guys, these vegetables and fruits, at least avocado is a fruit, they are very good for you if you're diabetic or you know someone who food that is good for lowering blood sugar and is good for diabetic patient is fatty fish. This contains omega-3 fatty acid, DHA, EPA, which protect the blood vessels, reduces inflammation, improves the functions of the arteries. This reduces the risk of stroke and developing heart disease. And note, the risk of stroke and heart disease is high for diabetic patients. So a normal person that is not diabetic may have a lower risk of developing stroke and heart conditions, but somebody with diabetes, they have higher risks. They are likely to develop heart condition, stroke, side problem at some point in their life. And these fatty fish can be salmon, anchovies, mackerel. And the number 3 on my list is nut and egg. And they are a great source of healthy fats that controls blood sugar. So the egg is an anti-inflammatory. It contains antioxidants that fight against free radicals. They protect against diseases. And note, it is important that you eat the egg. You contains the most important nutrient in the egg. I have seen people that boil their egg, they take the yolk and throw it away. They say it's carbohydrate, and they eat the, the jelly bit of the egg. As growing up as a child, I've seen people do that. The shell boiled egg, they take the inside, throw it away, and eat the outside, or vice versa. So, but this one, to get the nutrients in the egg, you need to actually eat the egg yolk. That's where the real nutrient is. Then nuts, you can eat nuts like hazelnut, cashew nut, Brazil nut, almond, walnut. And note that the nut should be eaten in moderation, because these nuts can lead to weight. Then number 4 is seeds. Seed like flaxseed and chia seed. So this chia seed controls blood sugar. It contains fibers. It has low digestible carbs found to lower blood sugar. Flaxseed reduces the risk of developing heart condition or heart disease and stroke. Flaxseed is difficult to absorb, so it is important that you use a powdered one, like a powdered form or grinded flaxseed, to achieve the best. Then number 5th in the list is natural fats. This natural fat can be gotten from extra virgin olive oil. Olive oil decreases the risk of developing heart disease. It's rich in antioxidants that fight inflammations and lower blood sugar. Other oils can be like coconut oil, avocado oil, and some other healthy oils. Then number 6 is cinnamon and turmeric. Incorporate into your diet. It keeps the heart disease at bay. It improves insulin sensitivity. It lowers blood sugar. The number 7 is dairy products, especially products containing probiotic bacteria like the Greek yogurt, the Greek natural yogurt. The plain yogurt gives you more of the nutrients than those yogurt that has been flavored with strawberry, peach, and the rest of them. So get the real yogurt, plain natural Greek yogurt. And Greek yogurt is believed to lower blood sugar, especially the natural Greek. Then the last on my list is apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is good for a lot of things, and it also reduces the blood glucose level. Research shown that apple cider vinegar, people that had diabetes, that took this apple cider vinegar, that it reduces their blood glucose by 20%, even when they are eating other food like white carbs that they are not supposed to be eating that much. They're eating it while taking this apple cider vinegar. It shows that the glucose level still reduced by 20%. However, note that apple cider vinegar is quite acidic, so it's advisable that you dilute your apple cider vinegar in water before taking it, so it does not affect your teeth. You can start by taking 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar and with a half cup of water, maybe daily. Then you can increase your intake depending on your need. I pray and I wish this video is of use to you or use to someone who is diabetic. If you know somebody, please educate them and find a way to support them. Let this information get to them to improve their life. And this video, I hope is helpful for you, and thank you for watching this video. Please, if you have not subscribed up to this point, I'm begging you, please do subscribe and be part of this community. And to my ever supporting old subscribers, thank you. Until I bring the next video, thank you. God bless you. Bye bye.